Hello guys, welcome to Balanced by Shirin Kapadia. So, the normal and common question in all the minds and all the clients when I give them diet plan is which is the best oil to be used in Indian cooking. So let me quickly answer to this question. So best oil for cooking is the one which you have been exposed from the childhood. That is, your body has been adapted and metabolizing over the years. So let us discuss some of the common oils which are used in Indian cooking. So first one is ghee, देसी घी. या जो घी होता है वो fully packed होता है न्यूट्रिशन से, as well as उसमें होते हैं बहुत सारे इमोशंस. So इमोशंस को रखेंगे साइड बिकॉज घी है सैचुरेटेड फैट. So इसका डेली इंटेक हम रखेंगे 2 to 3 tablespoon. Second is mustard oil. So mustard oil is very rich in monounsaturated fat and ये यूज होता है डीप फ्राइंग और पिकल्स बनाने में. Coconut oil is high in medium chain triglyceride and gives a quick energy. It is antibacterial and great for gut health. Saturated fat है, so usage should be limited. Olive oil is hyped up, but it is not ideal for high heat cooking as its smoke value is low. So it is used in dressing for salad. Groundnut is a good source of MUFA and vitamin E, and it is stable and versatile. So it is used at high temperatures too. Refined oil like sunflower, soybean and canola, they are very heavily processed and reduced in nutrient. So use of this oil should be avoided or use it sparingly if possible. As well as they are rich in omega-3. So अच्छा oil कौन सा है वो नहीं, but the best approach towards oil it should be, you should rotate all the oils, that is ghee, oil that is groundnut oil, mustard oil. This oil should be used in rotation in your daily diet because you should know that 10% of your calories are being intaken by oils. ऐसे सच इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए फॉलो करना ना भूले और अगर आपको डाइट प्लान चाहिए तो डीएम कीजिए डाइट प्लान और अपने लिए कस्टमाइज डाइट प्लान ले. थैंक यू.